First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 62 daily score booster questions, starting with the simplifications. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon. First question is 20% of 2420. Percentage and double zeros cancel. 2 into 242, which will be 484. 16.66% means 1/6 of 588. 6 9 times 54 and 48 means 8 times, so plus 98. This will be 5% of 3640. 10% value is 364. 10% is 5% value is half of 364, which is 182. So plus 182 comes this side with minus 182 whole equals to x square. Here we have 12 minus 2 0. This is 9. 4 minus 1 3. Wait a second. Here this is 10, so here we have 0 and this is 400. We are left with 400 equals to x square, so x is equals to 20. Option B is our answer. Next, second question. 14 into 26. 14 6 times is 84. 14 2 times 28 plus 8 36. Next one, minus 13 7 times, which will be 91. 13 2 times 26, this will be 351. So the difference between these two is 13 plus this will be 16 2 times 32. 16 4 times will be 64 plus 3 67. So we have 58685 is our answer. Option D. Next, third one, root over 2089. Here we see unit digit 9 means it must be 3 square or 7 square. Leaving 2 digits, we have 28. 28 means nearest square, which is 5 square 25. So I know that 55 square value is 3025. So this number is less than this one, so it is less than 55 square. So our answer is 53 for this one. I actually know the direct value of this one is 53. 53 plus percentage and double zeros cancelled. 24 into 92 times 24. Let's write this as 90 plus 2. 9 4 times 36. 9 2 times 18 plus 3. 2160 plus 48. 8 0 2 2. So what we have is 53 plus 2208, and this plus 19 square comes this side with minus, which is 361. So we have 11 minus 1, which will be 10. So 6 minus 6 0. So 22 minus 3, which will be 19. So 1900 is our answer. Option A is our answer. Next, fourth question, percentage and double zeros cancel. 55 into 94. What we do is first we do into 5 plus into 11 times. 9 instead of 5 we write this as 10 by 2. 2 47 into 11 into 10. So we have 517 and 0. So answer for this one is 5170 plus percentage and double zeros cancel 64 into 36. So what we write here is, let's divide this 36 as 12 into 3. 12 4 times 48. 12 6 times 72 plus 4 76 into 3 times 3 6 3 8 times 24. 3 6 times 18. 18 plus 2 20. 21 24 21 23. So answer for this one will be 2304. Here the answer for this one is 5170. What we do is the sum of these two. 5170 plus 2304. 4747. 7474 is our answer. Option B. Next, fifth question. Here what we do is give 0 to this one. We get 210 and 25% means 1/4. Plus this will be percentage single 0 5 multiple and 2 multiple. 2 8 times 5 9 times is the answer for this one. Question mark minus 44.44 means 4 into 11.11 11% means 1/9. 702. 9. 7 times 63. 63 means 82. 63. 72. We left with 72. 8 times is 72. So what we have here is, this is 4. 5 times is 20. We left with 10. 2.5 times. Here 8 9 times 72. This will be, first we do 2 times, we get 156. Again 2 times we get 312. So this 312 comes this side with plus 312. So totally what we have is 0.5. This is 6. This will be 13. 4. 436.5 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Next we are going to see quadratic equations. Quadratic equations, first what we see is minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Plus and plus means both the roots are negative. By comparing these two, x is greater than y. It is clear. Next one. Here minus and minus, or else we see minus at the end. So there is no relation can be established between these two is the answer for this one. How we say that it has no relation? Minus and minus means both the roots are positive and negative. Here minus and minus means positive and negative. Comparing positive with negative, x is greater. Negative with positive, x is lesser. So both the equations we get, both the signs we get. So there is no relation. Here what we do is into 4 times 16x plus 4 3 times 12y equals to into 4 times will be 96. This will be 16x plus 7y equals to 76. Minus minus minus, this will be cancelled. We have 5y equals to 20. So y value is 4 times. We have 4x plus 3y equals to 24. This place here we get 12. 12 minus means 4x equals to 12. So x equals to 3. X is 3, y is 4. So x is lesser than y. Next one, fourth question. Here it is x square equals to 676. So x value is plus 26 or minus 26. Here in this case 529, it is 23 square plus 23 square minus 23 square. Here in both the cases we see plus and minus and plus and minus. So x greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. So there is no relation can be established between these two equations. If we see any squares, x square and here y square is given in single question, then the answer will be no relations. Okay, here we see x square value is 2916. 2916, we get the values of plus and minus of a square root of a square value, and here we get a positive value and this value is greater than this one. So we get a bigger value than this number. So it is clear that x is lesser than y. Or else we see 2916, it is 54 square. So 54 plus 54 or minus 54, 3481. The unit digit 3481. This is 59 square. So by comparing these two, x is lesser than y. It is clear. Next one. Here we see difference of 5. Here we see difference of 5 again, 15 again. Here we see difference of 5, 25. Here we see difference of 34, 46. These are 5 factors, but these are not. So in between them, this is our wrong number. 100 is our wrong number. Next, second question. Here we have difference of 16. Here difference is 4, 7 minus 1, 64. Here we see a difference of 3 and 14, 143. Here we see a difference of 7, 7 minus 2, 5, 5 minus 3, 257. Here we see a difference of 0, 0, 4, 400. It is 20 square. This is 4 square. this is 8 square, so it must be 12 square and it must be 14 square, but these two are wrong. Wait a second, it is 4 factors, 4 8 times, 4 2 times, this will be 4 16 times, which are these two are wrong, so in between them this is our wrong number. Next one, here we see clearly that it is into 3 times, which will be 99 minus 3. It is into 3 times 36 minus 3, into 3 times 15 minus 3. So it is into 3 times 6 3 times, unit digit is 8 minus 3, we get unit digit 5. Here if we do into 3 times 5, 3 times will be unit digit 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3 will be unit digit 2, but here we have 0, so this is our wrong number. Next one, here we see a difference of 3 23, here we see a difference of 9 29, here we see a difference of 31, here the difference is 5 plus 2 7, and this will be 5 minus 2 37. So okay, here we see a difference of 38. These all are prime numbers, but this is not a prime number, so this is our wrong number. Next one, here we see it is nearly half times, which is 6 plus 1. It is into 1 times plus 2. This is into 2 times 18 plus 4. So this is into 2 times. Okay, these are doubling, so it must be doubles, and these also doubles, so it must be 4 2 times 8. So 96 4 times 6 4 times will be unit digit 4. 4 plus 8 will be 2, not at the 5, not 5 at the end, so this is our wrong number. Next one, wait a second, this belongs to here. 22 4 times will be 88 plus 8 will be 96. Here it must be into 8 times plus 16. So 6 8 times, unit digit is 8, 8 and 16, we get the unit digit of 4, not 5, even though this is the wrong number. Okay, next one, here we see missing number series. Here missing number series, the difference between these two is 4. Here the difference is 16. Here 6 36. So these are squares, 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, so it must be 8 square, which is 64. The difference between 64 and 67 and 64, we get 131, so it must be 10 square, which is 100. So 131 plus 100 will be 231. So option option D is our answer. Next question, here we see differences of 12. Here we see difference of 36. Here we see a difference of 25 plus 35, which will be 60. Here we see a difference of 9 plus 75, which is 84. This is 12 1 times, 12 3 times, 12 5 times. This is 12 7 times. So the next one must be 12 9 times, which is 108. So 108 subtracting from 291, we get 9 8 189. So answer will be, wait a second, 1 minus 8 will be 3, 183. Option A is our answer. Next, third question, here we see a difference of 2, difference is 5. Wait, here 6, 2 6, this will be 12, and here we see 20. Difference between these two is 4. Here is 6 8, so here must be 10, means 30. 45 plus 30 will be 75. Option B. Next, fourth question, here we see a difference of 7 14 28 28, 5 plus 3 8 28. This will be 56. 56, these are doubling each time. 7 2 times is 14, 14 2 times 28, 28 2 times 56, so it must be 112. So 2 plus 9 2 2 2 1 and 2 221. Option A is our answer. Next, fifth one, here we see 6 12 18, 24. These are 6 factors, so it must be 30. 105 is our answer. Option C is the answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. Here is the inequalities. The concept we use for inequalities is the flow method. If we see a symbol like this, it means the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, it means that the flow from this side to this side. Let's see through the questions directly. First question, first conclusion. The flow from V to L with everywhere equals to. From V we can reach to X. From X we can reach to E. Wait, or else from V to X, from X to L. Here is equals to, here is also equals to. So we can able to reach V to L with everywhere equals to. First conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from W to L. From W there is no flow. So second conclusion will be false. Second question, the flow from A to L. From A we can reach to F, K and L. Yes, it is possible. Second conclusion, the flow from I to L. From I we can reach to P, K. From K we can reach to L. So second conclusion is also true. Third question, the flow from H to D. From H we can reach to G, F. From F we can reach to D. So first conclusion is true. Second conclusion, Z to F. From Z there is no flow. Second conclusion will be false. Fourth question, the flow from G to L. From G we can reach to F, I. From I we can able to reach to J but cannot reach we cannot able to reach to L. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from K to F. From K we can reach to J and I. From I we cannot able to flow to F. So second conclusion is also false. Next, fifth question, the flow from M to S. From M we can able to reach to N but cannot able to reach to S. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from R to N. From R we can reach to Q, P. From P we can reach to M and N. So second conclusion will be true. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question, only a few good is bad. Some clever is good. Some bad is smart. Only smart is intelligent. So intelligent is inside smart and doesn't share with anything except smart. So let's see conclusions. All good being bad is a possibility. All good can be placed inside bad. It is not possible because of this part. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some clever is intelligent. It is direct conclusion. Some clever is sharing with the intelligent. No, it is not representing like that. So second conclusion is false. Next, second question, some lemon is chili. Some lemon is chili. Some chili is not coriander. Some chili is not coriander. Only a few coriander is spinach. Okay, let's see conclusions. Some lemon is not a coriander. We see not here, so we check all lemon can be coriander. All lemon can place inside coriander. As it is possible. All case possible means some not case will be false. Second conclusion, some spinach is not lemon. Here we see not, so we check all spinach can be lemon. All spinach can be placed inside lemon. As it is possible. All case possible means some not case fails. Next, third question, few hen is goat. Few hen is goat means some hen is a goat. Only a few goat is sheep. Some sheep is a cat. All cat is dog. Conclusions, all hen is a sheep. So it is direct conclusion. All hen is inside sheep. No, it is not like that. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some hen is not sheep. We see not here, so we check all hen can be sheep. All hen can be placed inside sheep. It is possible. All case possible means some not case will be false. Okay, here both the cases false, and we see same suffixes and prefixes with a positive statement and one negative statement. So the answer for this one is either 1 or 2 is the answer for this question. Here in a second question we got both the 2 are wrong, but there are not same suffixes and prefixes. Okay, let's see the question number 4. Fourth one, only a few paper is pen. Paper, pen, some pen is a pencil, some board is pencil. Let's see conclusion. Some pen is board. This is pen and this is board. There is no direct relation between these two. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some paper is a pencil is a possibility. Some part of paper can share with a pencil. Yes, it is possible. So second conclusion will be true. Next, fifth question. Only a few rice is lentil. Some lentil is wheat. No wheat is ragi. Let's see conclusions. Some lentil is ragi. It is a direct conclusion. Lentil here and ragi here. There is no direct relation between these two. So first conclusion will be false. Some lentil is not ragi. Here we see not. So we check all lentil can be ragi. All lentil can place inside ragi. It is not possible because of sharing this part. So all case fails means some not case will be true. So second conclusion will be true. Okay. Now we have completed syllogisms also. Now what we see here is a reasoning puzzle. Here is a reasoning puzzle. Let's see this reasoning puzzle here, or else it will take like this. Okay, now it is very comfortable. 7 persons goes to market on 7 different days of a week, starting from Monday and ending on Sunday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This is given. Now the statements are: same number of people goes to market before and after Kaira and Gaurav respectively. So before Kaira is same as after Gaurav. It is given about a first statement. Tina goes to market 4 days after Yuvraj. 4 days after Yuvraj means, so if we take Tina here, 1, 2, 3, 4 days. This is Yuvraj. Tina goes to market 4 days after Yuvraj. After Yuvraj means Yuvraj's place is here and Tina's place is here, like this. Next one. Yuvraj can place here, Tina can place here. One more possibility we have: Yuvraj here and Tina here. Okay. Swati goes before others. Swati goes before others. And after Levit. So, and after Levit. This is the sequence. LSA. Okay. Levit does not goes before Tuesday. Before Tuesday, Levit does not goes. So, on Monday, Levit does not goes. Okay. Next one. 2 persons goes between Tina and Kaira. This is Tina, so Kaira will be here. In this case, Kaira is here. In this case, Kaira's place is here. Kaira above is equals to below Gaurav. So Kaira above only 1. This is place for Gaurav. There is 2. 1, 2. This is place for Gaurav. In this case, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We cannot able to place Gaurav here. So this case fails. So we have 2 possibilities. And left with only 3 persons, which we have LSA. This is place for LSA. In this case, LSA. L does not be on Monday, so this case also fails. We left with only one case, so this is the answer. Let's see the questions that are asked. Who among the following goes on Saturday? On Saturday, G. Gaurav goes. Option C is our answer. Next, second question. How many persons goes between Lavit and Gaurav? This is Lavit and this is Gaurav, 2 persons. So option D is our answer. Next, third question. Kaira goes to market on which of the following days? Kaira goes on Tuesday. Option A. Next, fourth question. Who among the following goes to market on Thursday? On Thursday, S means Swati. Option B is the answer. Next, fifth one. Who among the following person goes 2 days after Levit? 2 days after Levit is Tina. Option A. So, these are the answers for our questions. Let's see one more puzzle. Let's see one more puzzle. Here is a puzzle. 6 persons are living one above another. Okay. And these are the persons on a 6th floor building such that the bottommost floor is numbered 1 and topmost floor is numbered as 6, but not necessarily in the same order. So this is a floor based puzzle. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the floors. Okay, next the statements are Soumya lives below. Soumya is living below Akshit. Soumya is living below Akshit. This is Soumya. We have so many alphabetical numbers, alphabetical words. So this is Soumya. Shivangi is living 3 places above Dhairya. Shivangi 3 places above Dhairya. This is one. At most 2 persons are living above Surendra. At most means maximum 2 persons living above Surendra. Maximum 2 persons living above Surendra means only 2 or 1 person is living above Surendra. So the possible places of Surendra is this and this. What I mean to say is maximum only 2 means only 2 persons can maximum sit above Surendra. So yes, here are one more possibility is here. We got 3 possibilities now. Next, 2 persons are living between Surendra and Akshit. 1, 2, this is Akshit. This is Akshit. In this case, Akshit is here. Okay, we have a statement that here is Akshit, below is Saurav. So in this case, Saurav cannot be placed. So this case fails. We have Saurav here. In this case, we got 2 possibilities. Saurav either here or here. Let's see next statements. No person is living between Surendra and Rohit. In this case, Rohit can be either here or here, but in this case, this is the place for Rohit. These S are nothing but Surendra. Okay. Next, Rohit either here or here. Next statement is Rohit is living below Shivangi. Rohit is living belongs below Shivangi means there is no place for Shivangi in above Rohit. So this case also fails. If we place Rohit, then there is no place for Shivangi. So this is only the place for Rohit. So this is place for Shivangi. If this is place for Shivangi, 1, 2, this is place for D. D means Dhairya. So this is the place for Dhairya. So this is the solution we got from our puzzle. Let's see the questions that are asked. Who among the following is living just above Rohit? Just above Rohit is Surendra. Option D is the answer. Next, second question. How many persons are living between Shivangi and Surendra? Shivangi and Surendra, no one is living between them. None of these. Option E is our answer. Next, if Dhairya and Soumya interchanges their positions, Dhairya and this is Soumya. Okay, this is Soumya, not Saurya, Soumya. If these places are interchanged, then who among the following is living just above Soumya? Just above Soumya will be this one, Rohit. Option C is the answer. Next one. 3 persons are living between dash and dash. Surendra and Soumya. Surendra here and Soumya here. There are 3 persons. Yes, it is right. Shivangi and Akshit. Shivangi 1, 2, 3 Akshit. It is also right. So both A and B is our answer. Option D is the answer. Next one, fifth question. Who among the following is living just below Surendra? Just below Surendra is Rohit. Option C. So these are the answers for our puzzle. Now what we going to see here is we're going to see a coding decoding miscellaneous reasoning question. Here what we need to find what is the code for world photos. Here we need to check the word photo. Where is photo? Here is photos and here also photos. The common words from these two. ZP is any other common word? GH no. IV or LV? Is this IV or LV? It is IV and this is LV. So those are not same, but L and W are same. So we have two common words ZP and LW. So here we have LW, which is here we have photos, and delicious is common. Here delicious is nothing but ILW. This is delicious, so it is photos. So answer for photos it will be ZB. Option A is our answer. Next, second question. The code IV stands for IV here, and there is no IV anywhere else. VG, LW, okay, ZP we just got now. So IV is different from all other. So party, here party, candid. Is there any candid in other? No, there is no candid anywhere. So answer for this one will be candid. So option C is our answer. Next, what will be the code for the cake? Cake. Here this is cake. Here cake also only one term. Cut. Is there any cut again? No. So we get two cases. Restaurant and party is over. So VG and GH are taken out. We left with SV and IS. So either SV or IS is our answer. Option B is the answer. Next one. Fourth question. Which among the following combination is true? Birthday IV birthday, GH delicious, VG party, VS hotel. We need to check which one is true. IV is a single term and we find that it is candid. So this is false. GH, we see GH here and here. So common word is delicious. No. Delicious word is LW. Wait a second. GH must be restaurant here. Here also restaurant and here is also restaurant. So GH is restaurant, not delicious. VG is party. VG is party. Here is VG and here is also VG. So party is common to these two. So VG party is the right answer. VS hostel. VS hotel. VS here only hotel. There is any other hotel? Let's see further question. What is the code for birthday? Here birthday is here only and there is no common birthday. Photos is common, restaurant is common, delicious is also common. So we see GH LV is we also see ZB ILW we also see LW, but we don't see LV any other case. So answer for birthday is LV. So answer is LV. Option E is our answer. We don't get the answer for this one, which is definitely true. Definitely true means we clearly get this one is definitely true. Party must be VG. Is it true? Here is a party. Here is also party. Is there any other party? No. Common between these two is only VG. So it is also true. Both we get two are true. Hotel VS. Okay. Let's see further questions. Maybe the typing mistake in this one or something. Next question is blood relations. The questions from blood relation puzzle. Here the puzzle says that, let's rotate this one. 8 members are living in a family. There are only 2 married couples. So 8 members and 2 married couples in the family. Y is the wife of Z. Y is the wife of Z. V is the brother of T. V is the brother of T. W is the wife of J. W is the wife of J. J, who is the son-in-law of Z. So son-in-law of Z means Z has a daughter. Daughter's husband, son-in-law, which is J. J married to W. So we got these. Next one. Only Q has only one child. We don't have any Q. Q has only one child. That child is P. Okay. Q has a child P. Q is the sister-in-law of J. Q is the sister-in-law of J. Means either the co-brother or co-sister of W's son is W's sister, maybe Q, which is a sister-in-law, or else J has a brother and his wife must be Q. Let's see further. W is the sister-in-law of T. W is the sister-in-law of T means we have only 2 married couples. This is Q and his son is his child is P. Okay. W is the sister-in-law of T. So T is the brother or something for J. And we have V is the brother of T. So V is the brother of T. Here given that T is unmarried. So this is why the Q's place is this one. W's sister is Q. So Q's. So let's see the questions that are asked. How is P related to Y? Y related to P. Y is here. P is here. Maybe granddaughter or grandson. We cannot able to determine the answer for this one. So cannot be determined is the answer. Option E. Second question. How is Q related to Z? Z related to Q. Z, Q is daughter. So A is the answer. Next. If N is the wife of P. If N is wife means this is a gent, male, and they have married. Then what is the relation between W to P? W, P will be nephew. So answer will be nephew, option A. So this is the answers for blood relation question. So that's all for today. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.